Hi, my name is Joshua Nixon. I would like to thank you for looking at my application for the entry-level programmer slash trainee position. I want to explain myself. Looking at my resume, you'll find that I have a master's in nutrition and a bachelor's in nutrition. I understand that this is a weird transition, and to most employers this does not make sense that I would want to become a programmer, but hopefully by the end of this video I can shed a little more light on why I would like to be considered for this position. I've been programming since I've been in 7th grade. I'm currently 29 now, so I have quite a bit of experience in programming, and it's more of an off and on thing. I did it as a hobby. I started off with Turbo Pascal, transitioned to Basic, QBasic, Visual Basic, then went to C++. I dabbled a little bit into Java, and when I went into college, I sort of stopped because I decided that I wanted to do programming as a hobby. I took 2 computer science courses in high school. I made A's in both of them. As an elective in my undergrad, I took a computer science course in C programming language, and I obtained an A in that class. I'm very program-minded. I'm very analytical when it comes to solving problems, and I like to think outside the box, and I am very creative in that sense. I was also able to help create an iOS application called Nutraholic. I did not develop the application, but I did the program workflow as far as the user interfaces and how one screen transitioned to another. I did some of the programming calculations to determine different nutrition calculations for myself. The program was intended to help people control their alcohol intake. It essentially recorded their time when they went out to go drink alcohol, and in a database that I created, information would be extrapolated from this. The calories, fats, proteins, carbohydrates, different things of that nature would all be accumulated through different drinks you add into my system. You could also incorporate text messaging into this application that would send a message to your designated driver. It would also give you letter grades for your drinking session. So if you consumed 1,000 calories, you would have an F for your drinking consumption. You were allowed to share these results on Facebook and Twitter. And in addition to that, you were able to understand your exercise, understand different exercises that you can do in order to burn off these calories. So that was just something that I did for myself as a personal project to really incorporate my programming side with my nutrition degree. With that being said, I've continued to learn different languages and done anything and everything I can. I've gone through several books. I've recently been learning SQL because I am very fascinated with being able to manipulate data. I noticed that you are sort of limited in Microsoft Excel. Speaking of which, in Microsoft Excel, I'm well versed in doing macros and Visual Basic applications. I'm currently in the process of becoming certified with Microsoft TSQL, although I'm completely open to learning other types of flavors of SQL, more notably the Oracle version. I'm completely open to this, and I believe that this type of position will help progress me in the direction I would like to go into. Looking through my resume, you'll notice that I do have quite a bit of experience in the medical field. However, I'm trying to transition out of the medical field, and I think this would be a great opportunity for me to push forward in the programming realm. I really enjoy programming, and if I came to work every day, it would not be a job per se to me. It would be something that I really enjoy doing. I like bringing new ideas to the table, and I'm also willing to learn from anyone that can teach me. I acknowledge that programming can't be learned in a few weeks, and again, having a big background in programming, I'm completely understanding to whether others would like to teach me. With that being said, I hope you will consider my application. I have a lot to offer your company. Like I said, I'm very analytical, I'm very creative person, and I am very willing to learn whatever that you can teach me, and hopefully I can grow within your company and prosper. I'm completely willing to learn C# as well. I see that's part of the job description, and I'm actually very excited to learn that language. So if you can, please consider me for this position. I understand my degree level is very high. However, I'm willing to start at the bottom so I can work my way up in the company, and I believe this is a great opportunity that will supply that for me. If you have any questions, you can contact me at 832-573-9252. That's 832-573-9252. Or you can contact me through my email at jlnixon23@gmail.com. Thank you for your time, and I look to hear forward from you soon.